There we go. Back again, Dusty Rivers. Following some bloody tracks. There he's all going. Finally got some bloody rain, middle of summer. Put the fires out. They come out the pine forest and have a bloody ball in the four-wheel drive. The old Dustmobile loves the mud, even though I've stalled once already. There's some bloody good tracks out here. Some good trenches. Some fun. We'll go down and show you how deep this bugger is. Guy just ripped through here a minute ago. Look at that. Fuck up to my chest. I ain't walking through there, you're dreaming. Dream on, fuckers. Alright, back up. Mind the fucking groans. I am over 50. Alright. Must say, nice to be out here. After 5 days of being locked in the bloody house. Yeah, this section here, this is a lovely little area. Not going through the middle one. There we go. Hear them playing off in the background. We'll straddle this on foot, of course. Yeah. Gotta live for Forbian all the time. Thought there'd be more people out here. Oh, there's not. Got all the cockies up my tree. You gotta love that sort of thing. Just gotta love it. Alright, peace out before it rains.